guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for long, but this time I'm back with another video, and this one is on a Halo Cut Crease. This is actually my first time trying this, and I think that it came out amazing. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil, then blending it out with my fingers. This just makes your eyeshadow appear more vibrant, more than the concealer would. Well, that's just my opinion. Then I am going to set up with SACHA Buttercup Setting Powder. I am using that dark purple shade from Morphe Brushes 35P palette and buffing that right into my crease. Originally I filmed both eyes, but the video was getting way too long for me, so I ended up doing one eye. I'm going in with the Morphe Brushes 35B palette, and I'm going to place that right above the color I placed in my crease to blend it out. Honestly, I really don't know why I use that red, because it's kind of like the same color as the other transition color, but I'm going to use it as well. I am using NYX eyeshadow base to cut my crease. As you guys can see, I am just patting that on until the desired look. Please do not swipe on. Now I am just using the same purple shade from the 35P palette to blend out the edges. And this shade right here just came off of one of the Morphe brushes palette, and I am not too sure which one it was, but I am just gonna use it as my glitter base. I bought this glitter from Michaels, and I am just gonna use the neon pink for this look. To make the glitter stick, I am using the dual lash glue I bought from my local beauty supply. I believe it was like $5. As you guys can see, my camera was dying, but I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome as my highlighter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.